Good morning guys. Today I'm going to work and I saw from the windows there's a very heavy sandstorm outside. Let's have a look at that. So this is how it looks, the sandstorm. It's like a combination of sandstorm and fog. So you cannot see anything from the 50 meters. See? Morning. So right now I'm here in downtown Dubai. As you can see, I'm here in the entrance of Armani Hotel, Burj Khalifa, that one. And this is the fountain in front of Burj Khalifa. The other fountain, the Dubai fountain, is on the other side. And as you notice, you can see the Burj Khalifa in here. Even my personal eye cannot see anything. Nothing. Good morning. So it's foggy here in Dubai today. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. And as you can see, it's almost zero visibility within 15 meters. And I go to play skateboard, so join me now.